Good morning, YouTube. You can tell it's the morning. Look, I haven't deflated my eyes yet. It was baking last night, so come for a little wild swim. Saw Mark, the White Explorer, sort of gave me the inspiration to get out and do it, because I haven't done any properly for ages. So no murky little fords this time. It's an actual river. Yeah, just gonna have a little dunk in, little cook up on the Bushbox, and get back home. See you soon. Stay there. Stay. It's weedy. It's very weedy. It's a bit weedy. So it's a bit shallower than I thought, a bit weedier. So we just go downstream a little bit, have a little bit of a barefoot walk, hippie myself out, and bring you back in a minute. There's a little bit down here I might go to. Nelson! Should we try this one? Nelson! What are you doing? Right, you need to stay up here. Stay. It's alright. Oh. He's coming again. Oh, it's deep here now. Good boy. Right, now stay there. Stay. I just want a bit of a swim. Stay. I'll be back in a minute. Stay there. It's alright. Stay. It's alright. Stay there. Stay. Come on in. Steady. He's a good boy. Come on, back again. Oh, you're such a good swimmer. Such a good swimmer. Again? Oh, yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Out swimming. Nelson, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want some sausages? Do you want some sausages? That gets away. Cheated a bit today. Bought pre-buttered and tomato sauce bread. It's a bit sticky, so it's left in the fridge overnight. Sure how hygienic it is swimming in rivers and eating sandwiches, so I don't endorse that. No, I also don't endorse using bits of wood to stir your food with, but I forgot all my cutlery. Never mind Nelson. Nelson don't know what quite to make of all this. Do you? You don't know what to make of it. He's cold. We'll go for a run in a minute. I'm sure a sausage will cheer it up. We've even got a knife to cut into the sausage. Just gonna hope they're cooked all right. Just while I've got you here quickly, the live giveaway I did the other week, a couple of weeks ago now, I think, a couple of weeks ago this weekend. Nobody has come forward yet, so I'll leave the people's names in the description so that you can have a look. If not, the video is about 2 or 3 videos down on the playlist if you want to go and check that out. It's about a 50-minute live feed, so if you scroll all the way through and you get to see where I turn the camera around and look at the computer, that's when the draw is. So if you haven't already, go and check it out. If I don't get anybody come to me within another 2 weeks, I'll probably redo the draw, so still in with a chance to win. Spot on. You can wait a minute. Oh, that's good. I'm hungry. And just a big old splash in the water there. I can see something swimming but can't see it. Oh, it's a deer, look. How cool is that? I've got that on film. Muntjac. Just climbing out the other side, look. Trying to. Probably scared it. Nelson, stay. Well, that's pretty mental. Just had a big splash behind me. Look round, and that little muntjac's just swimming. I think he's still trying to get out the bank the other side. It goes to show though, you just sit around for long enough and you're quiet, you get to see all sorts of nature. That was incredible. I've never seen a deer swim before. Nelson, you stay. That was cool, wasn't it, Nelson? Give me your food, man. He was waiting for his food patiently. He's getting a bit impatient now. Bye. Okay, I'm going to call it there for today. We've had a nice little swim, bit of barefoot walking, bit of breakfast. Job's a good one. So, sitting there, rubbish is in there, dog's doing a runner, so I better go. Shoes and dog lead, I'll pick those up now and see you on the next one. No camping for a couple of weeks, unfortunately. I'm glamping it up next week, and then I've got a week in between and we're away to the Peak District, but it's a holiday rather than camping, so I'll be able to get some footage together. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.